Hi guys, this is Riya Boite. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a pack with me for a 7-day trip to Punjab video. For my airport travel look, I'm wearing this stylish pretty girly orange flared sleeve peplum top. It has a square neck and flared long sleeves. For day 1, I have this beautiful anarkali dress. I love this pink and orange color combination. Let me know in the comments which color would you pick for your dream anarkali. This anarkali is pure magic for the royal tour. It has a nice ethnic style neckline. It has a shiny pink pant for the bottom. This is how the dress looks from the back. This dupatta has a delicate border design. For day 2, I'm wearing this shiny light pink color embroidered dress. It has a soft, pretty and enchanted scallop dupatta design. For day 3, I'm wearing this soft, natural and sophisticated looking dark green and white flowy dress. For day 4, I'm wearing this stunning yellow and orange color maxi dress with a unique neck pattern. For day 5, I'm wearing this elegant white traditional outfit. This has a delicate floral design. This has a green pant with a pocket on the side. Beautiful white net dupatta with white pom-poms on the border. For day 6, I'm wearing this pink maxi dress with beautiful white layers pattern. I feel I look like a beautiful pink layered cake wearing this outfit. For day 7, I'm wearing this fancy ice blue color or teal color stylish top with lace on the sleeves and bottom. It has this shiny golden thing on the center, looks very graceful. I'm going to pair this orange top with this maroon bottom pant. All my outfits are ready to be folded and packed in my bag. Let's pack together. Next, I'm packing some footwear. These pretty pink shoes with white pearls and beautiful lace bow and flower design. Jutti for my traditional outfits. Next, I packed socks, innerwear, makeup pouch, hair tools, cute hair clips, these beautiful accessories, necklaces, earrings, rings, bindi, bangles, bracelets that match my outfits. Some cool sunglasses, and this pink body mist. Come along and enjoy the trip with me.
Do like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Relax and Wander.